So, here's a big question. What's the best way to buy energy to help your business meet its sustainability targets? Hi, I'm Andy Payman, and because I strike a lot of clean energy deals for our business customers, I'm asked that question quite a lot. So what's the answer? Well, that depends on your business's goals, setup, and capabilities. So let's keep it simple. We'll look at the key things you'll need to work out to choose your ideal clean energy option. The good news is, you have two main choices. You could source clean power directly from a generator or indirectly via your electricity supplier. Okay, let's take a look at those one at a time. If you go direct, you won't be alone. Lots of companies are now thinking this way. You'll need a contract called a Power Purchase Agreement, or a PPA. And there are two main types of those. First, a private wire PPA is when your business is physically connected with a wire to a nearby renewable energy generator. Second, a corporate PPA. It's similar to a private wire, but you're not physically connected. Your clean energy generator can be anywhere in the UK, and your power comes via the grid. Okay, next. If you go indirect, when you sign up to your standard contract, your electricity supplier will provide you with electricity that's backed by low-carbon certificates. Who the generators are isn't so important. So, which one's right for your business? Let's take a look at the 4 headline differences. 1. Carbon credentials. All the options let you report lower emissions, but PPAs give you much more credibility. Now, a PPA is a lot more authentic because you can actually point to where your clean energy comes from. And if you struck a contract with a generator that isn't built yet, you struck sustainability gold, additionality. Additionality means you can legitimately claim your business was crucial to adding more renewable energy to the UK's mix. And that makes a real impact on carbon emissions. Okay, 2. Cost certainty. In a PPA, you're setting your energy price for a long period, say 10 to 15 years. So on the plus side, you always know your energy price. But the risk is that over time, your price will be above the going market price. Standard contracts tend to be shorter term, so you don't have this risk, but equally, you don't have the long-term cost certainty. Now, 3. Complexity. PPAs are much more involved to set up and to manage, so you need the skills and time to make it work. On the flip side, standard contracts are, well, standard. So they're really quick and simple to agree. And finally, 4. Commitment. With a PPA, you have to commit to buying a certain volume of energy for up to 10 to 15 years, and then you may have to wait for your generating site to be built after signing. But it's totally different on standard contracts. You can buy what you need for how long you need it, and you can start right away. So, in short, PPAs come with much better carbon credentials and can make a real difference to actual carbon emissions. But they're more complex to manage and require a long-term commitment. But if that's not right for your business today, standard contracts can go some way to meet your emissions targets, in a way that's fast, flexible, and efficient. Want a little more detail? Check out our fact sheet and webinar. I'll see you next time.